धन्यवाद माननीय प्रशांत नंदा जी। डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन डिमांड टू डेवलप कन्नूर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट। जो भी माननीय सदस्य एसोसिएट करना चाहते हैं अपना नाम यहाँ भेज दें। डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन
for their intervention in the development of the Kannur International Airport. The airport is the hope of the people. Sir, the catchment area of the airport includes Kannur, Calicut, Kasaragod and Wayanad districts. And the people from Coorg also using this airport for their own airport. In Kannur, around 5,000 acres of land owned by the state government for the development of the Kannur International Airport project. The KIAL also heavily invested in the infrastructure facilities. The sizable number of people, NRI population is here, sir. Historically, Malabar has a great contact with the foreign countries like Arabian land. The cargo products such as marine products, handlooms and handicrafts have enormous potential in this region. Kannur, the land of looms and loaves and surrounding region has a high and tourism potential. The biggest thriving beach in Asia, Naval Academy of Indian Navy, the great centers of Indian freedom movement and the noted places of folk arts also here, sir. The thousands of tourists visits here to see the beauty of the land, to study the historical monuments and enjoy the weather and flora and fauna. The one side of the border of the one side of the districts, Arabian Sea, other side is Western Ghats. Sir, thousands of tourists are visiting this area. The development of this area is inevitable for the sustainable development of the people, sir. Foreign airlines are requesting for providing their services on this airport, but the ministry is not ready to allow the permission. At the same time, they have given the permission to some other airport. The entire people of Kerala, together, they are requesting for granting the point of status of Kannur International Airport. Sir, but this union government is not ready to allow the permission. They are trying to catch the Kannur International Airport because they are trying to catch the dream of the people. In the ministry, some of them targeting the people of Kannur, then the international airport, the dream project of Kerala. Sir, Mangalore Airport and Trivandrum Airport is running by a big corporate company. If the government is trying to protect the profit of this big corporate company, their own friend, so I am telling to them, sir, then I am sure they will be punished by the people today or tomorrow. They will be punished by the people today or tomorrow. With these words, I am concluding, sir. Please protect the airport. Please try to help them, Kannur International Airport. The government should do their duty. This is my request. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Mani Sant Balbir Singh ji demand to address the problems being faced by the farmers of